I tried Leap Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first installed Leap Wallet, I wasn't expecting much, just another crypto wallet, right? But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Leap might be one of the most user-friendly gateways into the Cosmos ecosystem. On day 1, setup was smooth. I created a wallet, backed up my seed phrase, and instantly had access to dozens of Cosmos-based tokens from Atom to Juno and beyond. The design is clean and approachable, perfect for beginners but powerful enough for pros. By day 2, I tested staking. Most wallets make it confusing, but Leap simplifies it beautifully. You can delegate your tokens directly within the app and start earning rewards in just a few taps. The wallet even shows your estimated yield and unbonding period right up front, no guesswork. By midweek, I started connecting Leap to decentralized apps like Osmosis and Stargaze. The browser extension made it effortless. Transactions were fast, gas fees were clearly displayed, and the app warned you before signing anything suspicious, a small feature that builds big trust. By day 6, I explored the mobile version. It syncs seamlessly with the desktop wallet, so you can manage your Cosmos assets wherever you are. Most people get this wrong, but Leap nails the balance between convenience and security. After 7 days, here's the shocking truth. Leap Wallet isn't trying to be everything to everyone, and that's its strength. It focuses entirely on making the Cosmos ecosystem simple, accessible, and safe. If you're curious about exploring DeFi or staking within Cosmos, Leap might just be the wallet that makes you fall in love with it. It's elegant, fast, and refreshingly intuitive, exactly what the blockchain world needs more of.